You know, the visuals that we're getting right now, it's very symbolic how the party president, JP Nadda, put a scarf around his neck and then made him sit on a chair. You know, symbolically, it is extremely important that he comes and he sits on a chair and he's helped by the party president, the national president, to take his place in that rightful chair behind the desk, as we are seeing that visual once again. So, you know, try and explain to us, what kind of a relationship is this going to be? Because we have the party president there and also a working president. So what exactly does a job of the working president entail? Can you explain to us more in a more detailed manner? And what have we seen earlier with the tradition of the working presidents? Who had occupied these posts earlier and what had they done?
Well, Anjali, joining me right now is a senior leader of BJP and MP from Patna Sahib, Ravi Shankar Prasad. Sir, how are you feeling? A leader from your state is now the national working president of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Nitin ji is also an MLA from my constituency. In fact, I'm a voter in his Vidhan Sabha Bakipur. What is truly extraordinary about him is, he is very dedicated. He is very committed. He is experienced as a 5-time MLA. सौम्य व्यक्तित्व है, सबसे मिलना, low profile, but dedicated for the party. Has assigned so many responsibilities. This can happen only in BJP. That is simple, humble worker, very experienced, very dedicated, can be elevated as the party president.
What was the first thought which came in your mind when you heard his name becoming the next national working president of?
Very happy, very happy. As I told you, he's from my state, he's from my constituency. But that is only besides the point. He's truly extraordinary party worker and leader. And I thank you, Honorable the Prime Minister, Amit Shah ji, Nadda ji, and the entire leadership for this marvelous assignment to Nitin Naveen ji as working president.
Also, sir, last question. The Congress is now raising questions on the Congress is saying that processes were not followed in this.
मुझे कांग्रेस पे कुछ नहीं बोलना है, जिसका सब कुछ खानदान में होता है, छोड़ दो उनकी बात. धन्यवाद.
Okay, so that's what the word coming in from Ravi Shankar Prasad. Remember, Anjali, that Ravi Shankar Prasad is a BJP MP from Patna Sahib constituency, and like he told us that Nitin Naveen is a leader who comes from his constituency, and Ravi Shankar Prasad is voter of Nitish Kumar, and he voted for him also during the last assembly election. So this shows the kind of relation the leaders have, the kind of equation they have, and Ravi Shankar Prasad being one of the veteran leaders of BJP is coming out and heaping all praises on Nitin Naveen shows as to how happy he is. Why? Not only because he is voter of his constituency, but also Nitin Naveen hails from his state, Bihar. Anjali.
Right, absolutely. We just heard Ravi Shankar Prasad there telling us how important it is because the man who is now sitting on that chair is a man who they think is connected with the masses, is a humble man. But Piyush, you were also telling us that the people, the Karyakartas, the workers, the grassroots level people also feel connected to this man. He is someone that they were very happy about coming to that position, taking that place on that chair. Can you tell us more about his connect with the grassroots organizational workers, and also can you tell us what kind of a political career he's had, as we see the visuals coming in live of him greeting different leaders?
Well, Anjali, we have seen him working during the elections in the state of Bihar, during the Bihar Assembly elections. He was very much instrumental in reaching out to the women voters. Remember that the schemes focusing women were one of the most prominent schemes. Those were seen during the elections in the state of Bihar. And Nitin Naveen was also given the responsibility to reach out to women voters. And, during the coverage of Bihar Assembly elections, I myself saw how Nitin Naveen, was distributing pamphlets. He was also requesting women to vote for Bharatiya Janata Party, for the NDA candidate in the state of Bihar. Is a grassroots level worker of BJP who has been holding the chair of MLA of Bankipur constituency of Bihar since 2010, and he is 5-time MLA of BJP. And he first became MLA in 2008 when his father had died. After that, by-elections had taken place, and he contested elections from West Patna constituency. And after that, he shifted to Bankipur because delimitation had taken place. And since 2010, he is the member of Legislative Assembly from Bankipur constituency, and 5 terms. It's his 5th term that he became the member of Legislative Assembly and also the minister in Bihar government. So this shows the kind of career he has had in this age. At the same time, the kind of organizational skills this man possesses, and also how to reach out to voters. What kind of policies should be there to ensure maximum support a party gets. So all these things were kept in mind before announcing his name. We also saw as to how the caste factor was also kept in mind, because Nitin Naveen comes from Kayas community. Though Kayas community is only 1% in the state of Bihar, but BJP had to give preference to the forward community also, and also return gift to Bihar, because the kind of performance BJP has had in these elections was marvelous. BJP has become the single largest party in the state of Bihar, and a leader from Bihar, a young face, a man who has the organizational skills, a man who shares a good rapport with the top leadership of BJP. All these things became the important factors for becoming Nitin Naveen as the new national working president of Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, when he has become the national working president of BJP,
right,
there are some processes those are going to be followed. BJP will have elections, organizational elections, and after that he will become the next party president. And after that, he will have to face the biggest challenge of his career. That's the elections of 5 top states, including West Bengal.
Right.